Hello. We have for sale a 2002 Hyundai Santa Fe LX. The LX, being the top of the line, came standard with alloy wheels, leather interior with heated front seats, leather wrapped steering wheel and gear shift knob, chrome door handles, and I'm sure several other things that I really don't remember right now. But it's the top of the line. Has just about every option on it available, including the electric sunroof. This is definitely the typical driven by a little old man car. Car belonged to my father-in-law, and he drove it until he could no longer drive. And then it came to us, and it's been in the family all of its life. Adult owned and driven, never abused, always garaged. It's in beautiful condition. It's a beautiful metallic blue, as you can see, with charcoal underneath. Has no major damage to the body. It's got a few little scratches and dings here and about, which is typical, you know, after driving a car and parking in parking lots, which seems to happen to all of us. But as you can see, she's pretty straight. Beautiful shine. Has a Class 3 trailer hitch on it with wiring. As you can see, that body is straight as can be. Just tinted windows. Let's have a little look inside. Let's look in the back first. The back seat. It's got a divided seat back with an armrest. Seats are beautiful. Hasn't had a lot of people riding in the back. Has the original floor mats. Let's have a look in the cargo area while we're back here. It's got the factory mat, which has some wear and tear to it. Has the original cargo cover, and the seats fold down to open up cargo space all the way to the back of the front seats. It's got an electrical outlet back here for the 12 volt. This vehicle has one feature that a lot of SUVs don't have anymore. Push the button, and the glass window opens separately. Now, if you were to ask me, is there anything wrong with this car? I think the only thing wrong with it are these struts. Don't hold the glass up anymore. So that's about it as far as if I were to tell you if there's anything wrong with it, because that's the only thing I can think is wrong with it. Let's have a look in the front. In the cockpit. Another LX feature, stainless steel kick panel there. Of course, full power with auto down on the driver's side. There's the mirrors. One cool thing is it has air conditioning vent in the door, so when the door is closed, it seals here to here, which is really a neat feature. So here are the leather seats. They've been covered probably 3/4 of the vehicle's life. It's had sheepskin seat covers on it, so the seats are really, really in great shape. No splits or tears or anything like that. Let's have a little hop inside. It has the original Santa Fe floor mats, which are in great shape. Okay, let's fire it up. Lovely seatbelt chime. Old school. So, it has cruise control. And it has a very, very nice aftermarket sound system in it. This sound system has Bluetooth calling. with a little microphone, just right there. Also has Pandora built in. AHA radio and iHeartRadio are all built in. You can plug in a USB device here if you wanted to put a stick or plug in a iPod or anything like that. It's really, really nice. It was a real nice upgrade for this vehicle. Has fully automatic climate control, which is really nice. Takes care of heat and cool automatically. Push this button here and you get the ambient temperature. It's a little chilly here in Bastrop, Texas this morning. Has the factory moonroof with a shade. So it can open back and forth. And it can also raise up like a vent, which is really, really nice. Got a handy calendar up there. And this is an aftermarket mirror. It's got an electrochromatic automatic dimming feature. And these three buttons here are Homelink garage door openers, which you just don't find in vehicles of this age, but that was an upgrade that really is nice. Leather wrapped gear shift knob. All of this is in great shape. The leather on the steering wheel is like new. These are the buttons for the heated seats. Let's go have a little peek under the hood. This has the optional 2.7 liter V6 in it. 4-speed automatic. It's been religiously maintained. Nice running little vehicle. It's got plenty of get up and go. So if you're looking for a nice car for your son or daughter, or just a car to run around in, these are very safe, very reliable. And I mean, look at that. It's a 2002 and it's still attractive. The styling is kind of a timeless style that still looks up to date today. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer any questions. And if you want to come out and give her a run, just let me know. Thank you for stopping by.